part of what I look right after. That looks cool, bro. I think I'm gonna end it after I make this piece, but unfortunately, see you in the next video. Wait, should we? Yeah. Let's do that at that time. But we're gonna probably add some detail to the channel at the end of the video. But thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.